Me and me person me busa asem. Finance Minister Ken Oforiata. Papa no nkwa sorry ana. Oni onkwa sorry, oni elders who are sorry. Oni suffer. And to be ntimi to papa na for say do the honorable thing by resigning. Obi ntimi on cha say do boy sa finance ministry hono. Because listen, mama make some chum. Nana Akufo Addo dankwa. Papa we buy 6 years papa no wa yebi. Hwe say I want chere ni baby $1 akodu ni aduane boa ye den. Aduane boa ye den ti. Nipa refer Nana Addo buy dum so ajan. Nipa refer Nana Addo the free SHS aye den. Aba emom Ghana am say no can so be stop here enya stop here. But papa no buy wa yebi. But because of ni nua wenti. I make us match no. Me anoti na me afia memfa busuani adwuma o. Because ofa busuani adwuma te say the wato manini ade enye kwa wontumi fa kɔ enti sa wo fa na ntimi ni wagia enti kana for yata wa wontimi nsɔre say ma resigning. Let's trust UK Prime Minister as a president ono kwa resign bra e dey na wogie e dey enti ba no nya wo ho percentages are yakoji loan na wunya ho ana as say why man Nana Addo niema why yenu biye defending you know crash it down can't you honorably step down say economy na Joe step so you are walking away up to the point say majority caucus workers say omuntimi ne woni adwuma bi how then I na be before yet sir can't you honorably resign to restore the dignity of Nana Addo, to restore the dignity of your brother won't me resign here. And I'm also majority caucus. My press conference I'm about Ghana for me mafia. Me can't say damasi. They are very grateful. But you see, now more trading. I think the one who's a Ghana heading. I think the one who's a Ken Oforiata step it down. And you imagine somewhere ne. Mukasa Ghana for Jimmy. Majority caucus in parliament. More protecting mu seats. Say the man who say was second of Oforiata step it down because more protecting mu seats. Yen na ya continue opposition. Na ya for lessons. Yen na more majority caucus Ghana for saying ganja mu so mo to mamo. Obi everybody. Na mo ha there. You will listen.
You were a graduate. You couldn't get a job. Somebody finds a way to create a job for you so that the skills you have learned at school wouldn't be to waste. Not only that, the man made sure say wamao experience. Said the beya and there. Say apply for another job. Besides, how many years of experience do you have in this field? That at least to make us from 2019 to 2020, you have done this type of job. Over 3 years experience. Yeah. And you sit there, allow a party that could not give you a job because according to them, you were not experienced. Isn't it sad? Ghana for Napco for na many omokasan. And that is why I saw said they were very ungrateful in Tinesanana Sebe Etremukrana mena hame. To be honest with you, because Napco for people they really let me down. The Napco people really let me down. Matinefie since 2013. Some of you since 2013. Munye jumanye. Obia ba fawa maunapko. Charles Kweku say he's intelligent but not wicked. I said wicked in a sarcastic way. Say Akufo Addo you wicked in a sarcastic way. Because Charles, Osha dia papa ne now. Obeso gu NDC o. Obeso gu NDC party totally and san we free so. Look at what is happening in the north. North when you can hands down NDC winning. Look at what Bawumia and them did in the north there. Look at what now OT chiefs are saying now. Say, for 7 times they have seeked several governments, say, Mumma ye region, but they never gave them. 7 times. 7 times they have seeked, say, Omu here regional capital, Omu here say be your region. It never happened. But Akufo Addo listened and did it for them. Unless the Omu ye buniaye for no mbeto aba edietia MPP abai the next time around. And I'm glad the man actually confessed, said they are sorry. Say he created the region and they voted against him. But they promised him, say, come 2024, him and his people would actually vote for the MPP. Look at what Peter Mewu is doing in Hohoi. Look at how gradually Addo is winning Hohoi, winning voter region bit by bit. All tells you, say, this man is a unique man. Now, enunti ena me saw camera no eja medin kai ama background kakre memfa enombra in the next 20 minutes na men sorry so mame kire wade bi Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is the only president that has 16 regions. Utie His Excellency Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Ononkwane president ya webedi Ghana so a okuta 16 regions. Guess what that comes with? Extra responsibility. Extra responsibility. Adintia. Because first no, now your regions are 10. Okay. Now with the same resources, we have created 6 extra regions. Now, what makes Akufo-Addo scary for these people who hate the truth in NSA? And God is my witness, not good. Every part of Ghana has received at least a bit of the national cake. In all sector. That is the craziness of it. In all sector. In all sector. Nana Akufo-Addo is the only person that has been able to manage 16 regions, okay? Constructed roads in all 16 regions, yes? Provided educational infrastructure in all 16 regions, yes? Been able to create administrational blocks for all 16 regions, yes? Been able to do things to benefit the whole Ghana, hence free SHS. It's only Akufo-Addo, and it is 16 regions. Now, Adiebiya Mwawa. Oka se okwa probono. Me da say Kumase for. Finally, some of you have come to your senses and saying, said there be Samoka se Akufo-Addo, any mundi ya namoboa, Akufo-Addo aya adie pa. Emede. Pa se mwankasa. Asantifo. Majia tumu se. Eye achenkwana na wonumbre mu no wenje mu na mbom we make sure say ohwe obia. Now see another myopic mind we Godwin Digbo who na no so yendis who sent him to create 16 regions. On say we Jimmy for principal Limefa osisi a on say we Jimmy